This is how you update to ExpressLRS 4.0. So you plug in the USB, you select virtual COM port on the remote control, and then you open ExpressLRS configurator. Now you go to select your device. It's a RadioMaster dual band, and the real device is the RadioMaster TX15. Now go select the 2.4 GHz band. It depends if you are on the standard or listen before talk. For the 900 in Europe, you have to go to 868 MHz and 915 in FCC USA. If you want to download the Lua script from GitHub, just press download Lua script and upload it to your controller. I will do the update through serial port. So select your COM port from here and then click flash. And it will build the firmware, and then it will flash it to the controller. After the firmware is flashed, you'll have to reboot your controller in order to apply the update, and then check with the Lua script if the update is 4.0. Now with the firmware built and if flashing was successful, let's check with the Lua script. So go to Tools, Apps, ExpressLRS script, and go down and you'll see the 4.0 version of the ExpressLRS. So that means the flashing was successfully. So you have updated the ExpressLRS to 4.0. Thanks for watching. Bye.